Dumelang bagaetsho ya no ke Rustenburg Herald gape ene re tla re kwatile thata re bua le Setswana ka jeku ke nna le Jabulane Senyatso ke na le Maris Leroux and we're going to be telling you what's happening in the newspapers because since you see us here then you must know that the newspaper is on the street. I'm going to start off on the front page. On the front page we've got a story, a beautiful story. It's the fifth story that we have done, the fifth front page story that we have done so far about President Hyper. You know, since they started their business on the 22nd of May, they've given away about 5 cars to lucky winners. So this week is no different. Vali Volskeng, our news editor, as well as Cecile Volskeng, they went there to take photographs of Nombuso Nkosi, who won a car this week. The whole story is on the front page and it overlaps on the 4th page where you can see slideshows, if you can, about the entire event. The winner was very, very happy to be having a car.
You don't say.
Exactly. He was very, very happy. I wish it was me. But yeah, Maris is going to continue with the rest of the newspaper.
Dan ons sit hier in ons red T-hemde en rooi is mooi, soos ons in Afrikaans sê, and red is a truly powerful color and it's a life-giving color.
Yes.
Now on that note, we would like to invite you to please become a blood donor if you are not one as yet. Ons het 'n storie op bladsy 2 waar een van ons weier gemeenskapslede, dit is meneer Gopane van Chaneng, waar hy bloed skenk en huidiglik het ons ook op Facebook 'n uitnodiging to please go and donate at the Lifestyle Donor Center. That will be in aid for Hoërskool Rustenburg, who is trying to make their target for the day. So this Lifestyle Donor Center is open 6 days a week. Make a difference. It's 30 minutes of your time, if that long, and you can save up to 3 lives with 1 donation. Do your part.
Exactly. Yeah, re ntse re tswella bagaetsho re ya go tse di botlhoko ra go Marikana, and this time there's a tragic incident that took place there about a woman who was brutally murdered at her house. Now the police have launched a manhunt and they are asking the public to please assist in solving this murder. It's a very brutal one. So for more details, go into this week's edition on page 2.
Nou ek het so ongeveer 'n halfuur gelede toe sê ek vir Jabulani, dankie tog, ons was nie nou besig om te rekord nie, want ons het alweer disco in Rustenburg vandag met die ligte wat aan en af gaan. En ek wil nou nie sê dis 'n verrassing nie, maar miskien is dit 'n skok. Op bladsy 7 doen ons berig oor 'n hofsaak waarin daar uitspraak gelewer is oor Nersha en dan ook die verantwoordelikheid van die Rustenburg plaaslike munisipaliteit in terms of service delivery and obviously specifically in terms of power and electricity. Now, the municipality has been found culpable. What a surprise.
Yeah.
And we would like to see action in terms of improvement. And let's hope for the best if the courts have spoken. So let's see what comes along on the road next.
We are going to the next story. It's a warning actually from the police in Phokeng about online scammers. We know the internet is a very, very beautiful place, and also it is a very, very dark place. We've got 2 victims who have fallen victims of online scammers. So the police have decided to actually give you tips on how to avoid being a victim. We have the story on page 3. These victims, the first one is from Luka and the second one is from Phokeng. They've all been scammed of a lot of money. So be careful, and if you don't know how to handle the internet, just go to page 3. The police have given you tips on what to do so that you can avoid going to them and asking them to open a case of fraud.
On that note, I just want to say it's not only stupid, dumb, gullible people who are victims of these scams, as many of us would like to think.
Yes.
Me, myself and I,
Yeah,
with my colleague Jabulani, had a bit of a manhunt going last week. I don't want to divulge too much, but I was also almost scammed just last week. So it can happen to anyone, never say never. So wees versigtig, luister maar na die raad van kollegas en familie, en if it smells, it probably stinks too.
And if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Like the saying goes.
Exactly.
Jabulani, help my gou hier. Hoe sê ons hierdie vroutjie se naam? Hierdie girlfriend.
Madzitire.
Oratile. Nou
Oratile
sy
Madzitire.
is van Bethani. Sy is 'n jong dogter wat haar skool ongelooflik trots maak. She has been taken part on district level, on provincial level, and she's even qualified for national level in terms of her athletics. However, finances are a problem. So, unfortunately, this is the case for many young athletes. As jy dalk kan help met 'n geldjie of met 'n skenking van ou klere, atletiekklere natuurlik, oefenklere of spikes soos hulle bekend staan, daar is kontakbesonderhede op ons agterblad. Sport is a way to bring the community together. It is a way to uplift. It is a way for growth. So we please want to support our young stars in their development. Let's come together and see of ons dalk net ietsie vir Orathile kan doen om haar atletiek loopbaan te bevorder.
Precisely, let's help each other. Ya bofelo ba gaetso re ya go Barekeng, Thabane West Primary School. Did you know that they chose the best principal in the entire South Africa a couple of days ago? And the best principal for a primary school comes from Thabane. Dr. Didi Chloe, who created a National Teaching Awards this week, and Bamotopile as the best teacher, the best principal. Yes. In the entire South Africa. So we are proud of him. We did a story on him as well. The teaching awards took place on the 9th of October 2025, and he did not just get recognition. He got a brand new car, he got a trophy, and several other prizes that we're not going to mention. But he's a very happy person, and we are also very, very happy because he's represented Rustenburg very well. And that's where I'm going to close it off.
Op daardie noot, en op die noot van die onderwys, sterkte. Die 4de kwartaal het begin. Die finale eksamens is op die horison. Ons dink aan al die matrikulante en ook aan al die ander leerders wat hulle finale jaar en vir hulle verskeie grade gaan afsluit. Werk hard en pluk die vrugte. Ons sien julle weer volgende week.